Starting an online business gave me and my wife chance to replace our monthly income. And in these worrying times, many people have found themselves being asked to work from home, or simply they've lost their jobs for good. The world is now in shock as we watch this fragile economy crumbling before our very eyes. And normality just got overturned like that in an instant. It's pitiful. But people are now facing uncertainty, and it's a scary, scary place to be. And not only do they have to juggle work and home life whilst all being contained under one roof, but they are carrying the burden of whether there'll even be a job to go back to, and that's whether they want to go back to it. Thinking maybe how long the savings can last in the bank, whether they'll be able to put food on the table in the near future. It's all worrying times, and people are fearing the worst. They really are, and that's why large numbers are already searching terms like, for example, work from home, and what's the best business to start from home, all on Google, and people's backs are up against the wall. And they are looking now for alternative ways more than ever to earn an income, quite possibly from home. What have they got to lose, and whether that be to supplement their existing wage or replace it entirely. It used to be a daunting task starting a business in the past. But today, due to the digital world, it's far easier than people think. And we started out after discovering this educational company that gave us all the tools, mentors, coaches, and resources to get us started on this online digital world. They showed us how to build an online business from scratch, literally step by step. And with the support we received, we never ever felt alone. There was always someone to guide us, to keep us making progress. So we're so glad we made the decision now to go down this path. Because if we'd remained in our existing bricks and mortar business, we'd hate to think of the consequences we'd be having right now and what we're having to face. It really doesn't bear thinking about. So this is a golden opportunity here. So when are you going to start? One thing I'll say is this: me and my wife are in our 50s. Not tech savvy, we weren't at the start at all. So we know anyone can achieve this too if they put their minds to it. Use the spare time you have wisely while you're not commuting to work, and invest in your future, and possibly your family's future as well. You've got nothing to lose at this stage. So if you're looking for an alternative way of earning an income, probably, don't delay. Take action today. It looks like many, many tens of thousands of people could potentially be losing their jobs in the near future. So get ahead of them, guys. Get ahead of them today. Take control of these circumstances while you can, and take control of your life. It's your future.